guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel, I do budget related videos. If those sort of videos interest you, do please consider subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it if you join my YouTube channel. All right, you guys, so in today's video, we're going to be cash stuffing my cash rewards. I have been using my credit card for Fidelity since August of 2021, and I've redeemed all of my points. I have not used the points at all this entire year. And yeah, I'm excited to cash stuff this. I wasn't sure how I was going to do this because I thought I was just going to get gift cards, but I was able to open up a Fidelity account, individual account, and I was able to redeem my points and transfer the money to that account. And then from that account, transfer it to my current checking account, and I was able to pull the money. So before we cash stuff or count this money, I want to take a sip of my sparkling water. Today I have this winter sangria from Trader Joe's, so I'm just going to take a sip. That's so good. It is kind of late right now, but I did need to record this. That way I can have all these videos to edit for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to count this money. I don't want to tell you how much it is until I count it. So let's just count. Okay, I'm going to put this 50 over to the side, and now we're going to count. 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 200, and 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 400, and 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 81, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is $486 that I was able to redeem. Literally free money just for swiping my card. I am so happy that I was able to do this because it proves to me that I can use a credit card and still be on a budget. That is why I cash stuff my envelopes every other week, and I do my weekly check-ins. I pull the money, pay my credit card back, and this is just money that I got for using my credit card. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up, and we're gonna start with my sinking funds. Okay, we're going to start off with my low priority binder. The first envelope getting stuffed today is going to be Delight, and it's getting cash stuffed with $121. $50, $70, $90, $110, $15, $21. Delight now has $50, $70, $90, $110, $130, $140, $150, $160, $170, $85, $95, $210, $20, $5, $26, $27, $28, $29, $31, $2, $3, $4, $5. So that's $235. Dustin is not getting stuffed today. Okay, so the next one is going to be Fun. Fun is going to get 60. Okay, this should be 60. So that's 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and $65. Gifts is getting 60. Just make sure this is 60 before I add it to the stack. So that's 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56, 7, 8, 9, 60. Gifts now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 15, 25, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 41, and 42. That's 142. Home decor is getting 50. Let's just make sure that this is 50. So that's 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Home decor now has 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85, 95, 105, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Supplies is getting a 25. So that's 10, 15, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5. Supplies now has 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's $65. Support a friend is also getting 25. $10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Support a friend now has 10, 20, 35, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. I'm going to go to my high priority. Car maintenance is going to get 25. Car maintenance now has 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000, and 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 150, 60, 75, 85, 91, 2. So that's $1,192. Medical is getting 10. Medical now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 500, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 91, 2. So that's $592. Emergency is getting 10. Emergency has 5, 6, 7, 8, 950, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1,000, and 10, 20, 35, 45. So that's 1,045. I think it was Budget with Bess. She was saying how like she gets stuck at counting the numbers. Girl, I am with you because I know how to count, but for some reason when you get to that like 100, you get like a fog. It's the weirdest thing. I don't know how to explain it. Okay, so travel is not getting stuff today. Savings is getting a 15. Savings now has 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75, 85, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's $395. My 1, 2, 3 monthly expenses is getting a 10. Okay, so we have 1,000, 2,000, 500, and 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 610, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. That's $2,660. Okay, so this money here is going to be, I'm going to put $25 in my future rent because I like to have my numbers in 50s for this. So we're going to do 20 and a 5. So we have 1,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, and 50, 70, 90, 95, 700. So that's $1,700. And this here should be $50. This is going to my month ahead. Okay, so let me get that envelope here. Is this envelope right here? So let's see. So the $50 isn't going to cover anything in total, but let's see. Let's just put this in here. I guess what I can do is I can put, I'll put 50 here. That way I know that I've saved 50 out of the 80. Okay, so let's just add this to the stack here. and see how much we have in month ahead. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 167 in my month ahead. I have a ways to go because my rent is obviously the biggest portion. So I'm just going to slowly keep adding to this, and it's no rush. I mean, I don't have like a set goal date, but it will be nice to be able to be 1 month ahead of my bills. So that is it, you guys. This is my cash stuffing for my cash rewards. I'm excited to see how much I'm going to be able to save in this coming year. I'm not going to probably redeem these monthly or quarterly. I'm probably just going to wait until the end of next year and redeem my points and see how much I was able to receive in the 2023 year. So thank you so much for making it this far. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it, and leave me the money bag emoji. That way I know you are at this point. You guys also hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. You guys take care, and I will see you. Oh, wait, before I leave, I want to ask you guys, I want to try to get to another threshold of $100 for my videos. So please watch my ads. Please, please, please. Okay, you guys take care, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.